Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I'm coming on here to apologize to you guys. I wanted to let you know that the January kits are going to be a little bit late. The reason being is every shipment that I had was delayed for the holidays. So I had about 2 weeks behind in some of the shipments, so I've still got a couple of things that are on their way that should be here hopefully this week, and then we'll be able to get everything out. I do apologize. It's my fault. I should have ordered it way back in October probably. I didn't realize that there was going to be such a holdup from the vendors, but it's something that I can't help. But I am going to include in all of your kits a little extra goodie just because you're going to have to wait a little while. But I wanted to show you the paper collection that is going to be in your kit. And this is going to be there just in time for you to get all that Valentine stuff done. So this is the paper collection. It's from Echo Park and it's called Be My Valentine. And the papers are gorgeous. They could be used for lots of different things. You could use the backs of the papers. Doesn't even have to use them for Valentine's Day. You could use them for another day. I love these little envelopes that are on here. And see, this could be used for any time, as well as this. There's just lots of them that could be used for something other than Valentine. If you don't do a lot of Valentine, then you could use these for something else. Cards for people. These would make beautiful cards. So there is that one. That's pretty. The chevron, that's not chevron, Edith. The check is pretty. And that one, that's cute, I think, with the little post-it cards in there. And then the big lip, the lips on there. And then you have all of these that you can cut out. And then this, there's another check. And then this is really pretty, I think. That would make a beautiful card. And then there's the back. There is that one. The back. I like how on the backs of them, they made it a little bit more plain so it's not so bold in your face Valentine. So you can use those for other things. And then this one's really cute. And then there's a pretty red. And then it starts all over. So you have 2 of each one, and there's 24 double-sided papers in here. These are 65-pound papers. They're pretty thick. I used some yesterday on the little mini album that I did. So then you'll get a pack of the ephemera, and they're absolutely gorgeous. I'll try to hold these up so you can kind of get a glimpse of what's in there. There we go. So that is the paper collection. Now, of course, there's lots of other things that go with this. I'm just not going to show everything that I have right here. But then, like I said, I do have a couple of things still on their way. Hopefully, they will be here very, very soon. And we will get all of these out to you. I do apologize again. Like I said, it's my fault for not thinking about holiday delays and shipments and that kind of thing. But I didn't, so there I am. But the good thing is, most of February's is already here, so February should be no problem at all in getting it out on the 6th of the month. So I hope you'll be patient with me, and like I said, I'm going to include an extra little goodie in all of your kits, and they will be there as soon as they can get there. We will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for being a member of the E-Club Kit. Bye-bye.